Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick reminder to all my viewers, and that is, guys, if you have not joined my Telegram group chat, guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join. A link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and we just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. But now let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer: anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $1.5 trillion. We're down 7.9% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 42.2%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing a lot of red across the board. And, this is not coming as a surprise to me at all. This is more of an emergency update in a way, because we are seeing a markets go towards the downward trend and possibly see Bitcoin, create a triple bottom. And if you guys have been following me on my channel over the last few, last week or the last few days, when we were seeing a recovery, when Bitcoin went to $41,000, we were seeing altcoins up 30, 40, even 50%. And I was saying, guys, let's not get excited right now. This could be a clear fake out. We need Bitcoin to hit specific price levels for us to get excited, but it was unable to do that. And right now this does not come as a surprise to me at all. Major bloodbath across the board. So you know what, let's get right into the content, and then we will see where we could see altcoins go in the immediate short term. So right off the bat, I will jump into Bitcoin's charts first, and then we will look at Vechain, Cardano, XRP, just three altcoins. But majority of the altcoins should follow the same cycle. So let's get into Bitcoin charts right away. All right, guys. So Bitcoin is, doing some crazy things right now. It has done something that I personally did not want Bitcoin to do, and that was break below this level of support right here, guys. This is a level of support at that $36,200 level. If you guys watched my video yesterday or the day before, I said, guys, as long as we stay above it, we are in the safe zone. But we do not want to break below this level of support. We did wick down towards it like 3 times, but we went above it. But this time around, we have finally broken above it. And if we do not close above this level of support, guys, there is a strong chance of us to see a triple bottom at that 30K level. And there's nothing stopping that from happening. And I have been saying this for over and over again for the last week. I have been emphasizing on this for so long, even though when a lot of people were saying the bottom is in, I was like, guys, do not get excited, because you guys can see initial dip, we had a recovery. A lot of people started calling this to be the bottom, and because we hit $42,500 level, clear fake out. We saw a double bottom, and then we went up again. And now we're seeing a possible triple bottom occur into the markets. And guys, if that happened, there is a very high chance for altcoins to bleed very hard. So if I am to delete this real quick, we bring out the measuring tool. Right now, if we were to see 30K happen, guys, we would need to go 11.6% more towards the downside. Is that a possibility? Like I said, yes, it's definitely a possibility right now. There's a higher chance of this happening than us going towards these two levels of support that I have been mentioning, that how important they are. First stop should be the $43,189 level, and most importantly, guys, this is the level we should be keeping our eyes on. But right now, if we bring out the measuring tool, guys, in order for us to see recovery towards that, we would need to go up 36%. So there is definitely a possibility and a danger zone for Bitcoin to fall towards the downside and see a triple bottom. And as much as I hate saying this, guys, I do not like saying this, but you guys know what I always emphasize on my channel, and that is, guys, these markets are 100% correlated with Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin does have a crash or a flash crash, manipulation occurs, we have zero, absolute zero control over these moves. In order for you to survive these kind of moves is if you have taken out profits when the markets were in green. That's why you never want to get greedy, because these kind of corrections can always occur. So let's say Bitcoin were to have a triple bottom and we do see Bitcoin fall down 11.29%. You guys know what I always say. This is the Vechain chart right now. If Bitcoin goes towards the downside, altcoins will bleed even harder, guys. So it's the opposite way if Bitcoin goes up. So let's say Bitcoin goes up 10%, altcoins will go 20-30%. They outperform Bitcoin. But now we always have to be prepared for the outcomes that we could face if Bitcoin does drop quite significantly. So if we do have a triple bottom, guys, as much as I hate saying this, let me bring up the fib tool right off the bat for VeChain for you guys and see what is going to happen if we do see that happen. So if we do see such move occur for Bitcoin and we do see a triple bottom, guys, oops, just give me 1 second, please. Okay, all right. So if we do see that happen, I would not be surprised if we go back down to this level, guys. It could definitely play out for a VeChain. So if I'm bringing out the measuring tool, guys, see, we have broken below the level of support at that 10 cents mark. I did say in my last video, I would not like VeChain to go above, below this. We're literally sitting right below it right now. If we are able to close above it, when the markets, or when the day ends, if we're able to close above it, then, not so bad. But, at the end of the day, if Bitcoin decides to go to 30K, guys, then, it doesn't matter how strong this level of support is, we will see a sharp decline. So if I'm bringing out the measuring tool, guys, from this level, we could possibly see, VeChain fall down. If it goes down to 5 cents, guys, it sounds like a major, a retracement. But I don't think if Bitcoin were to drop to $30,000 that would happen. But we could definitely see a 30% drop if Bitcoin were to see that type of drop occur. But if Bitcoin drops below 30K, guys, then yes, we can expect these kind of moves to occur. As much as I hate saying this, guys, we just have to be prepared for this. This is an emergency video, so I am putting that out there so you guys are ready for this move if it were to occur. We might bounce back up. And that's what we all want to see. We want a bounce back towards the upside and go to that 43K level. But we have to look at, all the scenarios to play out, guys. And right now the most likely scenario is that Bitcoin falls towards the downside, and I do not want to see that happen. What would be bullish is if Bitcoin gets above this 36K level and holds above it and closes above it. Then we will be having a different conversation. But as of now, that is not the case. So for ADA, guys, same thing would occur. We have broken below this level of support, the crucial level of support at that $1.50 mark, and we are hovering in this zone at that 61.8. A lot of support on there. We're sitting literally right on it, guys. You guys can see literally right on it. But again, guys, there's definitely a potential of us to see a major drop towards the downside if Bitcoin were to see a recovery, and we can possibly be supported by this $1 mark. I do not like saying this, guys, but we have to face reality. So this would be the case for ADA, and VeChain I already have mentioned for you guys. But if markets do tend to recover, like I said, I have been saying this, 38.2 or 0.50 would be my target for Cardano. So let's hope Bitcoin does go towards the upside. And XRP, same scenario, guys. All this, you guys are seeing the trends right now. Everything is looking about the same, and this goes to show how important a Bitcoin is in the markets. And this is why, guys, this is why I always tell you guys, lock in profits, do not get greedy, so you can buy back these dips, or you can use that money to, for your own advantage. Doesn't matter how bullish Bitcoin, I mean altcoins are. Let's say we're seeing newer all-time highs, the momentum is crazy, but guys, that can all be invalidated as soon as a Bitcoin goes towards the downside, and these markets are heavily manipulated. So these whales want to shake at the weak hands as much as possible to create panic so they can be buying cheaper. Guys, you have to consider, we are seeing the most institutional interest ever seen in crypto history. We're seeing blockchain being implemented within organizations. So the industry is heading towards the right side, but these kind of corrections and these kind of crash manipulation is very, very normal in the markets, and you guys have to get used to it. That's what I always say: always invest what you can afford to lose, guys. I cannot stress this enough. And always do your own due diligence, and never get shaken out during these wicks towards the downside. You just have to hodl through these moves. So for XRP, guys, we could possibly see XRP fall below this level of support, and we should hold this level. And if we bring out the measuring tool, that is that is currently 20% down towards the downside, and that is a possibility. It all depends on Bitcoin, so everyone's eyes should be on Bitcoin right now and see what Bitcoin is about to do, and then we will see what is going to happen with altcoins. But as of now, guys, I'm putting that out there right now. Altcoins are in a very danger zone because of Bitcoin. If we were to see a triple bottom, be prepared. I'm putting that out there right now. Be prepared for altcoins to see, a massive decline. But I believe we will be bought back up very, very quickly because these kind of wicks do not last very long. And we should have a bounce back for Bitcoin if we were to see a triple bottom occur, because that is, a strong level of buying pressure generally that kicks in around those levels. But only time will tell. I will keep you guys updated as to what goes on. But let me know in the comment section below where you guys could see Bitcoin go at the end of June. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And what are you guys doing? You guys are hodling, or are you guys selling, or are you guys just waiting on the sideline for the dip to occur? But I just wanted to put this out there. And before I end this video, guys, I just wanted to share this with you guys. And that is Justin's son. He has a great opinion on this bull run. Some people are saying the bull run is over. Some are saying it's not. I personally think it's not close to being over. This is Justin's son's opinion. My personal opinion about current market: this is not investment advice. The bull market is certainly not over. We are in the period of the adjustment of bull market. June will build a steady trend. July and August will certainly start a new round of the bull market. And I do agree with him on this statement. So basically what he's saying is that, the month of June will be more towards this sideways movement consolidation, and then July and August is the next leg up towards the upside. But like I said, only time is going to tell what is going to happen. But I just wanted to put this out there, guys. You guys know me. I keep it realistic with you guys. Altcoins are in a danger zone right now because of Bitcoin. So let's all be prepared for that. And do not forget to like this video, guys. Please like this video and smash the like button and hit the red subscribe button, because it helps my video get to a wider audience. So your support would be greatly appreciated, guys. Also hit the link also hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button, because it helps my videos get notified to you whenever I upload a latest video. And thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me, each and every one of you guys. I love you guys a lot. Thank you so much for always supporting me and leaving kind comments. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Come join the Telegram group chat, guys. It helps you, feel better talking to someone around this time, and maybe you might learn something new in crypto that you do not know, especially if you're new. So come join the group, and let's build this community together. And stay safe out there, because safety at the end of the day is the most important thing, guys. Family is super important. Health is important. Everything else comes secondary. And with that being said, guys, I think I'm going to wrap up today's video around here. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.